Hello, I'm definitely not wearing my pajamas while filming this one. You're here to know how much my game made after 5 months of publishing. It made $3.38. And I'm gonna tell you why it made nothing and what I did wrong so you can avoid it. So if you're interested to learn what you should do to make money making mobile games, stick around. And at the end of this video, I'm gonna give you a very good offer to publish your mobile games for free in Google Play Store and Apple App Store. So why did my game almost made me nothing this whole time? There is a lot of things. The first and the most important reason is the game does not invite you to come back to play it again. It's not very customizable, you can't really do anything beside the initial gameplay. So the whole game is you press the play button, you dodge the obstacles or metroids, and then you collect gas and shield and you just try to score the highest score. There is not like you can customize your rocket, change color, change the shape of the rocket, get different power ups. So there is no market or anything like that that will keep the player wanting to come back, completing challenges or trying to reach a certain goal every time. So you will play it few times and then it will just be boring and then you will have it in the background. It's my own game, but I don't play it that much either. Like the only time I play it is when I'm super bored and I don't have any other games on my phone. Then I play it. So how did my game end up being like that? When I made this game, I had one goal and one goal only, is to publish something in the App Store, because I never published anything and I always make games. I always teach my students in school how to make games, but I don't have anything with my name on it online for people to actually try and play. And whenever my student asks me, have you ever made a game? I'll be like, yes. The next question will be, can I play it? And I'm like, you can't, because it's not published and I have to compile it and blah blah blah, so it's like not easily accessible. So I needed something to show my student, hey, you can make something simple and it will make you money. The second problem, I'd never advertised for my game beside this YouTube channel. So mobile games specifically, you need to push ads. So you will need to create some Google ads or whatever ads, those, the annoying ad that shows up every now and then for mobile games that are not really the mobile games. You can do something like that, but be honest, like show them the actual gameplay and make your game fun so people actually want to stick around and play it. And the third and last reason is I did not maintain my game. So after I pushed it to the App Store, I found few things, like for example, if you hit the pause screen, the total score number that shows up there is not your actual score number. It's just a random number that I used as a placeholder when I was developing the game, but I didn't fix that. I should have pushed an update to fix it. It's a very easy fix. The other thing is my AdSense, I believe, got some problems and it got disconnected or something with the app. I don't really exactly know what happened, but I never went to investigate to figure it out and fix it. So there are some people who are playing the game. By the way, this is the stat of how many people downloaded the game. Even with those numbers, the money is not increasing, and that because the ads has stopped. And one reason the ads stopped was because of some policy change AdMob had about consent and stuff like that. I don't even understand what it was. They sent this whole email about it. And the other one could be just because they updated their module to something newer and I just have to update mine to match the new module. So all those things you have to maintain whenever you publish a game. It's not just publish it and forget about it. You always have to maintain it and stuff like that. And it's not like everyday maintenance, maybe once a month, once every 2 months. But since I published it, I literally never touched it again. And if you made it this far to the video, please like and subscribe. It really helps me, and thank you everyone. It's a small channel and I'm doing this out of passion and out of love of teaching people things I know and at the same time building games and stuff like that. So here the offer I promised you at the beginning of the video. If you are a small game or app developer who want to publish their first mobile app or game, whatever, something on mobile. Yes, it costs a lot of money to publish it for Android and Apple. But I already paid the fee. I paid the $100 for Apple and I paid the $25 for Play Store. So you don't have to do that. I can help you publish it and it's absolutely free as long as it's your first project. So this sounds so good to be true, but it is actually true. What are the risks that comes with it? Since I will let you use my account to publish it, of course I'm not going to give you access to my account, like I will help you publish it. You will basically give me access to your game or app files, which will be a huge risk for you. Well, so that will be just a trust situation, like you will have to trust me that I will be honest with you and publish your game, and I will also have to trust you that your game or app is not malicious and will not cause my account to get shut down. So it's basically a mutual trust there. So if you are one of those people who are interested to publish their game but they don't have the fund, I can help you. And why am I doing this? I'm not getting any money from it and I'm not planning on getting any money from it. So if you, for example, wanted to do AdSense or anything like that, hey, go for it, do it. and I will have 0% of that cut. Like, I'm not doing this for money. So why am I doing this? I'm doing this because I am a teacher at the end of the day, and I would love to support my students in this regard. So I have actual students in my day job, and I do the same thing for them. I gave them the same offer, and now I just want to extend this offer to my YouTube community. And I understand it's very hard, especially if you are young, you don't have a stable job, to publish an app, because there is a whole risk. It's $100. For some people, it's nothing. For other people, it's a couple months worth of salary, or couple month worth of income, or maybe a month worth of income. I don't know. Depends on your situation. So I would like to help. So that's the offer. If you would like it, my email is on my YouTube page. Go there, hit me up, and we will figure out something. And since you made it this far in the video, I want you to go down in the comment and comment our secret word, banana pudding. Bye.